Hi, welcome to Cooking Spot. Today we are going to make a different kind of dish using onions. Let's see how to make it. First, we have bought 100 grams of wheat flour. We will add 2 tablespoons of corn flour to it. Add the required amount of salt. Then add pepper and a teaspoon of chili powder. Mix the mixture well after adding some water. Now, let's make the potato mixture. Put the boiled potatoes in a bowl and add chopped coriander leaves and chili flakes. Then add pepper. Add the required amount of salt. Mix the mixture well. Next, let's cut the onion rings. Cut the onions right in the middle to reserve the onion rings. Fill the potato mixture inside the onion rings and make all the circles in this way. Add these onion rings to the wheat flour mixture we have prepared and mix well. Coat in flour mixture in breadcrumbs and repeat this step twice. Now let's fry the onion rings. You can deep fry them if you prefer. We have finished making the onion rings, which are very tasty. If you also have potatoes and onions at home, you can quickly make this recipe and enjoy it. If you follow these steps, you can make a delicious dish of onion rings. Try making them at home and enjoy their taste. We hope to see you in another recipe like this.